Hey, yo, what's happening, yo? Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great grand old day. Shut us up. You see how we come. We're not just talking it, we're actually living it. American pride. Man, oh freaking man. It's a glorious day. You know, we post 10-day dry fast, man. Holy cow, man. Y'all know if y'all want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration, or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following us there already, you know we post there on a regular. Oh my gosh. Man, oh freaking man. Okay, yeah, we got our business course too. You guys want to start a business, don't have one. We do have one, you probably want to hand to. We got that for you in the description box. And also too, I wanted to say is, right, one of my kind of artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Woo! Gotta be careful with my hand placement. Yeah, healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well with our amazing American apparel. You can get that there. We got strap backs, you know, hoodies, socks, stuff like that. Get your cap on. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. But y'all see I'm in a better mood when it's fast. You know, like my body's still like, it's like recovering. It's recovering at such a rapid rate. I'm actually kind of surprised. I was actually looking in the mirror today. My body is like, I looked ripper. I look like more ripped. Like even though I had the food now, like, hey, so what the hell you eating, nigga? Come here, nigga. I don't want you to get sick, bro. Talking about, dog. You can see I do sound a little congested. It's maybe because the point, like, when I'm talking more, you know, I gotta get myself. Hey, I went 10 days, 10 days without any food or water. So it's kind of like too. What I noticed too is like with the, I guess when it came to drinking, like my throat is like still healing from not being like fully used per se in like 10 days, freaking 10 days. So it's just like, hey, but this thing was very powerful. It taught me that. Hey, look at the plant, so beautiful, so bright too. You know what I'm saying? It taught me that it just taught me that sometimes your words, it doesn't necessarily, you don't have to say everything. And I kind of got that feeling, but I just got more reassurance as far as that. Because being with only 10 days of no drinking, no water, I had to switch my mouth out just so I could even speak to y'all. So it kind of gives you like the essence to like, hey, and a lot of things too I wasn't really going for. I said I was a lot more pure and kind of just more accepting. And the other thing too, I was very tired. Sorry. I was more tired, like. It's to the point that I could not do anything. Like I literally could not do anything that day. You know what I'm saying? What I recommend is to people who have like a job who's just doing this. Like, if you have a job and do 10 days, no. If you're not ready, no. Because it'll be times where you literally cannot do anything, bro. Do anything but rest because your body's recovering. Everything you done, every damage and whatnot, and it's just healing itself and detox. Talking about rebooting, bro. But I feel like what I've gained is a clairvoyance, which is like an increased amount. Sometimes I feel like when for people who go like this, we do stuff like this. We feel like we gain stuff. We have some, but it's like we increase it more. It's like it's rather alarming, bro. But I'm kind of just seeing things how, and I think this was it was a big turning point as far as to see where, hey, what's next? What's next, because we do have an appetite for, I guess, change. change for the better, and that's most definitely being prevalent. That's most definitely prevalent right now. That has to be changed. So that for sure I can say. This is something right here. You know, I'm just trying to I'm taking this all in, yo. Taking this all in. But yeah, one thing was so shocking. I was so shocked. It's an insect on my device. I was so shocked how far my body bounced back. Like, what the frick? Can y'all believe that? My body bounced back so freaking fast. It's ridiculous. I'm like, yo, what the fridge? And I'm just like, I think people really underestimate the body as far as like what we're able to do and whatnot. And you know what, too? I was talking about this earlier, before I got on camera. One of the things is that people think this is just for weight loss. Sweetheart, this is not just for weight loss. This is for your mind. I'm going to say it to you like that. Because no matter what you thought, what happened, what this happened, it's gonna come to the forefront. It's gonna come to the forefront. Because I know I had a lot of powerful thoughts. A lot of things sometimes they weren't even like thoughts per se about me per se. It had to do with me, but it was just thoughts that it kept recycling. It kept recycling because it had to be, it had to be done with. It had to be, something you had to go through. Like, it's kind of goes with the saying that you got to feel it to heal it. You really got to feel it to heal it. So if you at a place in your life, well, I recommend fasting it. Those who want to change their life, I say that. But if you had to change your life, you want to know more clairvoyance, more guidance, and whatnot. Hey, I recommend it, because that's what I had to do it for. And it's another thing too. Some of my eyes, emphasis is fast. I'm like, now that I'm out here, one moment. Now that I'm out here, it's like I feel like I see the colors so crisp and whatnot. I see the colors and the crisp and the trees and the lighting so much better. And it's like one thing too. It's like my eyes have been like kind of like loading. I think it's coming back to like my vision is coming back, like maybe at a higher level. And I only can talk like in camera talk, like, like quality wise, because I'm starting to see things, and it's like, at first I feel like, oh, now I get it. It was kind of like, it's because you guys know I expressed this before. It was like when I had fasted. Let's see. When I was fasting, this is when I did my juice fast for 40 days. It was when I did my 40-day liquid fast. I think around day 27. Or something like that. That's when my vision started to become blurry. And it becomes blurry because then when it comes back, your vision comes back. It comes back stronger than ever before. So here it is. Like my eyesight's coming back better, stronger. Like these things see a lot more crisp and clear. This is a whole lot. Sun doesn't even affect me, like, really. I see it. I think this is what sun intakes. I'm watching a lot of changes going on, and I'm kind of like taking this all in too. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to know about this. But if you guys want to book a consultation, do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com, or you can just DM us on Instagram. Post on a regular. Yeah, you might as well get somebody who's actually been through this. That someone helps things near to this. This is awesome. I'm really liking this tree. I'm able to take in nature more. I'm like observing it more. It's so intriguing to me. Look at that, y'all. Wowzers. Feels so peaceful too. Wow. Business course in the description box. Support us, healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Go ahead and check us out. We got artwork there and apparel. Yeah, grab you something. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification, because Oh, and share this too. The daily upload still. All right, peace, love, and light, y'all.